Are you struggling with case sensitivity in your Django queries? It can be really frustrating when your distinct results aren't what you expected. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to get case-insensitive results in your Django queries. I totally understand your frustration. It's annoying to see both ABC and ABC when you just want one distinct result. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when working with databases that are case-sensitive. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I get case-insensitive results in my Django query? They shared their query, which is returning both ABC and ABC instead of just ABC. Sound familiar? If you find yourself in the same boat, let's explore this together. So what's going on here? By default, Django's distinct method is case-sensitive, which is why you're seeing both variations. This can be particularly tricky when you're working with user-generated content where case may vary. Let's figure out how to adjust your query to get the results you want. And stick around. I have a great workaround for you at the end that will simplify your querying process and save you time. To achieve case-insensitive distinct results in Django, the user should first convert the Twitter handle field to lowercase. This can be done using the lower function from Django's database functions. Next, the user should ensure that the distinct method is applied to the annotated lowercase field. This will allow the query to treat ABC and ABC as the same value. After making these changes, the user can run the query again. This should return only the unique lowercase values, effectively filtering out duplicates, regardless of their case. Lastly, the user should test the updated query in their Django shell or application to confirm that it works as intended. This will ensure that the case-insensitive distinct functionality is functioning correctly. Fun fact, did you know that the first computer bug was actually a moth that was found in a Harvard Mark II computer in 1947? Just like that bug, we can squash the issues in our code too. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves using the annotate function along with lowercasing the Twitter handle. This method allows you to apply distinct on the lowercase value. Since you can't directly use values list with distinct, you can create a list comprehension to extract the Twitter handle from the query set. Alternatively, you can retrieve the lowercase Twitter handle values directly using values list. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the annotate function. This method creates a new field with the lowercase version of the Twitter handle, allowing you to apply distinct on that field. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to use the lower function when dealing with case sensitivity in databases. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By using the lower function, you should now be able to get case-insensitive results in your Django queries. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And remember, coding is all about solving problems. Keep at it.